how to revoke or delete your n8n API key. So hey guys, welcome to this quick and short tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly revoke or delete your API key in case it's got leaked. So for that, first let me head on to settings and then click onto n8n API and let me quickly create an API key. For example, I'm going to name it API1 and then I'll click onto the save button. Now let's say this particular API key that I had got leaked or I want it to revoke or get deleted or maybe even rotate. So I have to click onto these three options, these three dots right here, and I get these two options. The first one is rotate. So if this particular key gets leaked but you want to keep all of the configurations for the new key that you want, you can simply click onto this rotate button. And once you click onto this rotate button, you will see that the key remains the configurations remains the same, but the key has been successfully changed and you can send in this new key. But let's say if you do not want the key to exist anymore, you can simply click onto this revoke button and then again click here and the key will be successfully deleted. So these both options that you have currently to protect yourself. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.